Yes. So yes, this is the whole architecture. So when that when application oriented is complete, project is complete, those data store in a database. That database name called as OLTP in data warehousing terminology called as OLTP. Okay, OLTP. Just you can make it's the end of the application oriented project. That means when OLTP, when the data warehousing project start, that means we are extracting the data from OLTP, from OLTP system, and we are loading the data into the OLAP. Okay, we are loading the data into the OLAP. Once the loading the data in OLAP, then only your Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI second part like reporting part, it will work on here. So here reporting people responsibility start. Once reporting people responsibility start, then that reporting people will show you data to the end user, but the end user. But the problem is, but ETL developer generating those data. The key concept of ETL developer or key responsibility ETL developer is when we are getting the data from OLTP system, those data we are do the migration, and those data we can load into a single area, and we are cleansing the data, we are implementing the business logic, each and everything. Suppose how your mini statement is get, we don't know how the mini statement will get, right? How the insurance, suppose you are an insurance product, suppose how many insurance how many suppose you have term insurance or any insurance or vehicle insurance, how many you can say uh, how many installment you given, so how could you get those details? So those kind of thing you are only when suppose last year you given one installments of 50,000, again this year also you want you will give the 50,000, but at the end of the day you want to see, okay, what is my total amount in my insurance, and suppose tomorrow I need can I withdraw those money, or maybe in 50 years what are the my like how many sorry how much amount will be there, and how much amount will be there, and it will be benefit to us or not, those kind of things implemented using data warehousing concept. And those data is generated by the ETL developer, not Informatica. Informatica is the tool, ETL developer. Okay, so for that reason ETL developer demand is high in market. This is the only the basic. What is staging area, what is staging area, what is ODS, and what is data warehousing? Data warehousing is the whole app. At the end of the day, data warehousing product load into the data warehousing. Okay, and ODS is the layer. Let me tell you in starting onwards. From here to here, one-to-one loading using Informatica. Here to here we are doing. Here to here also we are doing the loading using the Informatica. That means that program will build using the Informatica ETL tool. Okay, Informatica, you can say Informatica Power Center piece. Okay, again that means that is again ETL. Okay, so here also from staging to ODS layer also we are doing the again ETL. Here we can implement actual business logic. This is here what we implement first layer, only we can merging the data, we can cleansing the data, merging the data, those kind of things. Suppose your one application Oracle, application 2 is Excel sheet, application 3 is suppose in XML file. So these three applications you want to embed, so those data into put into a single area called as staging area. That means you are merging the data. So using help of Informatica ETL, you can merge the data. That means there is no business logic, only one-to-one loading. Okay, that is the ETL. And here, the second time from staging to ODS, we have to implement business logic based on client requirement. Again, this is the ETL. And again, ODS to data warehouse, there is again ETL also there. Again, ETL also there. Because data warehousing having two types of tables, I think I'll Tomorrow class I will take dimensional modeling will be there. So in data warehousing modeling, before project modeling will be there, right? Suppose if anyone having knowledge in Oracle or anything, so before starting the project, I think we have ER modeling. Data modeler will be there. Design the table, right? So same way, Informatica or that data warehousing are also having the modeling called as dimensional modeling. In that modeling, they are segregating two types of table. There, one is dimension table, one is fact table. Okay, so again I'll discuss those dimension and fact tomorrow class. No need to worry. So here at the end of the day, we have to load in dimension and fact. Here actual business logic will be there. Suppose customer table will be there, account table will be there. Those kind of data will be here. But customer table have the BD customer dimension or BD account dimension table will be there. So those kind of two types of tables. So those kind of implementation will be there in data warehousing project. So for that reason, when anyone asks you in your project what is the architecture, you can simply say in a data warehousing life cycle project minimum 2 times. Minimum, maybe some company based on cost and based on budget, maybe this layer is not there. Maybe there is a chance this layer is not there. Maybe there is a chance this layer is not there. So no need to worry. Maybe there is a chance this layer is not there. Okay, there is a chance based on budget, based on cost cutting, all those things. But you can say minimum in data warehousing project, minimum 2 times ETL concept or ETL program will implemented, maximum 3 to 4 times is implemented, because minimum is the here you have to implement from here to here is the fast, from here to here is the fast, and from if it's you can remove this ODS layer, here to here is the second. Minimum in a data warehousing project, ETL concept or ETL program will implement minimum 2 times, maximum 3 to 4 times based on project. For that reason, ETL developer role is very critical, or very in project ETL developer is the very critical. For that
So
reason,
sorry to interrupt you. So ETL
yeah.
tester is the same procedure. If I will
Yes,
join
same
the ETL
procedure.
tester.
Yes, same procedure, but testing also same. When you start a database testing, at least you need to know the select query, insert, update, each and every functionality you know. If you don't know, you cannot do the test. Same manner, if you don't know ETL, if you don't know Informatica, you cannot do the ETL testing. That is the
Okay.
main reason. So in this class also, I will take the testing. How could you test your program, and if you are tester, ETL tester, how do the test, and each and everything I will explain. No need to worry. No need to worry. Each and
Okay.
everything I will show you practically how testing will do. Suppose one program suppose developer done one program. Suppose I am a developer, I did one program and I loaded the data and said, no, my data is correct. So how could you know? Suppose you are a tester, you want to test those data, right?
Right.
If you don't know Informatica or SQL, how could you test those things, right? So how we are
Right.
testing in Informatica or using select query or Informatica tool, or how to debug the mapping, where the technical or functional testing will be there, how the technical testing and functional logically testing or data testing, or functionally you can say functional testing, right? So those kind of things
Right.
I'll show you. No, no, I'll show you. Okay? But ETL developer, ETL tester, you need to know all those things. If you don't know all those things, so if you're maybe you will get a job after that. Maybe you are doing job or you will get a job after some year. Once your experience is more than 15-20 years, so your role is changed. Then on that time, it's a very critical to manage those things.
Right.
For that reason, at least you need to know each and everything. Okay, so this is only, so for that reason, when anyone ask you, that means data warehousing project 90% is the ETL developer role, 10% is the reporting developer role. So how the data will generate, those generating logic and data, how the data will maintain day-to-day life, those kind of functionality implemented by ETL developer. Once this data will generate, then only reporting developer only showing the data in a visualized manner. That is the key concept of data warehousing project. Once everything will ready, companies your maybe your BA you will see, okay, this data will, okay, my application number 2 doesn't giving me that much of doesn't generating that much of profit or revenue. That is, application 3 is generating, why the application 3 is generating more profit, why the application 2 is not generating the profit. That BA using the, or maybe company show, by seeing the data reporting this person, this after reporting this person or company owner or CEO, he can or they can analyze and change the business rule, and they inform to the again the application, they change the again the application, one application, once application 2 again change, then new record volume of data will come, then ETL again you need to change the ETL. So those kind of life cycle will be there when you are working with any data warehousing project. Is it clear for everyone? If it's not clear, if you have any doubt, just ask. So can you move, or if you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay. Okay. Can we move? Okay. So this is the things that I was in concept on those things. Once Informatica installation, if you want anyone having the Informatica installation, just let me know, because today I will not discuss with Informatica architecture, because this is a data warehousing architecture. As you know, this is a data warehousing architecture, but Informatica also having the architecture, own architecture, because this is a software, right? This having the client server architecture. Tomorrow I'll show you, no need to worry, because maybe it's a first class bit more for you guys. So if anyone having anyone joining, so anyone having those, like you want to install the Informatica, just let me know. I'll create one group, just ping me, I think I'll create one group and I'll ping the, you just ping, I think you mail ID having with me, all mail IDs, so I'll share the Informatica software. If you want doing the, I'll share the video, installation video. If anyone not able to, unable to do, so just let me know, I'll help you on that case. So this is the thing. So, and tomorrow I'll show you the Informatica architecture. And again, what is the full form of ETL and what is the role of ETL? So full form of ETL is the, you can say, extract, transform, loading. Let me show you. Extract, transform, and loading. What is extracting? You can see we are extracting data from multiple sources. As you say, as I say, multiple data from multiple, extracting from multiple sources, right? So for that reason, this is name stands for extract. Transform, what is the transform? We are build the logic. Suppose we are writing any type of logic, so department number equal 10, maybe we are L trim, maybe some logic we have to write, right? So that logic should be called as transform or transfer. For that reason, Informatica given that name as transformation. Informatica given that name as one transformation. Transformation. For that reason, Informatica given that name as called transformation. See, Informatica given in course, see, data transformation logic, right? Transformation. So based on that only, naming standard satisfy that it's a transform means where you write the business logic. Extract means where you reading the data. Reading means extracting. If you are not clear, just ask me. Reading means extracting. Transform means where you write the logic, which object or where you have to write it. Loading means you have to load data at the end of the day into OLTP system. That means we are extracting data from OLTP system and we are loading into data in the OLAP system. So extracting means OLTP, loading means OLAP. That means extract and loading both package cover. Transform means where you write the business logic. In where we write the business logic in Informatica. In Informatica, one object is there, transformation. There we have to write transformation. For that reason, it's a ETL full form is extract, transform, loading. Is it clear for everyone? What is the concept behind ETL? ETL.
Yeah, yes.
So
Yes.
yes. Okay, so this is the thing. So those things no need to worry, I'll cover. So up to this I'll complete because today is the first class. So tomorrow I'll take in same time I'll take class, no need to worry. So if anyone going to join, so just let me know what is your timing and all this. Tomorrow I'll take the 4 p.m. or maybe it's we'll take the I will take the 5 hours of class per week. Maybe if you are interested, guys, Sunday I will take 2 hours. If you are okay, else I'll take the weekday also based on your convenient. But as per your convenient, you can tell me what is the timing. Just let me know. Offline, you can let me know if anyone having issue. But Sunday is the best option. If any weekday or maybe you guys are available any weekday 1 hour, any weekday 1 hour. If you guys are available, I can take because initially I'll not. Um, I'm very specific to my wording. So in initially minimum 10 classes. I will not taking 2 hours class. Maybe weekly it's not more than 2 to 3 hours because after only 10 days only because when you guys are ready to write a code in Informatica and you are familiar with Informatica, then only I can start 2 hours class. Yes, it's a very huge task for you guys. It's a new technology, so maybe you are facing some, you will face in future some issue. So for that reason, initially 10 classes, I will take only 1 hour, 1 hour classes. Once you are familiar with Informatica, you are confident with Informatica, no, I can practice. I can see, okay, you guys are practicing and you are familiar with Informatica, then I'll take the 2 hours class. Because if I initially I give you burden 2 hours like practice, then maybe it's taking maybe time. It takes maybe you guys are able to those uh, maybe you guys are able to do those things, but it's huge task for you guys, right? Because you all are working professional, so maybe it's you don't have time. So for that reason, initially 10 days, minimum 5 classes, not 10 classes, minimum 5 classes. I'll take 1 hour. Once you are ready with your software and your system and you are uh, familiar with Informatica, then we will start the 2 hours. Is it okay for everyone? Because I am taking those type of, because if the class is not interactive and if you guys are not doing the practice, so if I'm taking the money, so it's maybe in future I'm not in my characteristic like this. I'm forcing everyone, okay, you have to start studying. This is the my characteristic. For that reason, maybe future after course the complete, maybe you guys are okay. तो अरे इसने क्या पढ़ाया, क्या किया, गाली देते हैं, राइट? फॉर दैट रीजन, तो इसीलिए मैं फॉर दैट रीजन व्हेन आई स्टार्ट माय कोर्स, frankly I'm speaking, 5 to 10 class I will take 1 hour. Once you are fit, then only will take the 2 hours. This is the way I'll take. If you have any extra like you have any doubts or any query, just let me know. I'll try to or make you understand it. So tomorrow we'll start ETL architecture. What is Informatica architecture and dimensional modeling of those, and Informatica client tool, repository, workflow manager, all those things. And no need to worry. I have Informatica software and each and everything. I'll make you understandable how it's running and how it's installing each and everything. But installing part I'll skip. If you have anyone want for installation, just let me know. I will share the software file in Google Drive as well as the installation video. Try to install. If you are not able to install, you can just tomorrow class also. If anyone interested in to install, I'll share today by today night. I'll share the software. You can just download and you can download the software. Tomorrow class I will guide. You can just install and you can will record those sessions. So it's better. If anyone having the installation, these classes I will start directly guide, and you can share your in classes in this same class. You can share your screen and you can I will help you on install each and everything. Okay. So
Sir, ETL, yeah, ETL tester need means for the ETL required for a PL knowledge also.
no, no, PL
PL
SQL,
SQL.
no need to. Tester, there is no point. Knowledge, if you have knowledge, it's good, but in project related real time, there is no point. But SQL, at least you have knowledge. If you have SQL, you are well at good.
Okay, so
Developer
means
also
like joining and all.
joining
Joining and
bit,
all.
yes, no need to worry. If you don't know join also, this class when I start with the joiner concept with Informatica, first I will start the database concept and showing the practical in database, joining each and
Because
everything.
I have just knowledge about the DDL and
No,
DML
no,
command
no need
only.
to worry. I'll take care of those things. I will take care of those things because I'll showing you the all is maximum what are the things we are using in real time. Okay, joining
Okay.
subqueries like beta functions, where clause, having clause, group by, order by, rank function, those things I will implement in front of you in here and show you practical, and those things I will implement again in Informatica. So no need to worry.
Okay.
I will take care of all those things. No need to worry.
Okay. Okay.
So if any developer also no need to worry. If you have PL knowledge, it's best. If you don't have PL knowledge, even if I don't have also that much of PL knowledge, but if you know SQL, it's better. If you don't know SQL, so I'll make you understandable and how to learn the SQL. I will tell you in single query. Suppose you are writing. Suppose you are writing. Let me show you one. Let me show you one example. Let me let me show you one example. Sorry. My command prompt is visible. Everyone, right? Select star from suppose EMP where department number equal to 10, right? So this code I am writing in SQL. So I think everyone understanding this code, right? So in where condition, like those kind of in where condition Informatica, where we are implemented in which object. First I will implement when we start my classes or practical. First I will implement the where condition or join in database like this. I will showing query and I will showing each, and let me show you in my previous batch. Let me show you. See, when I'm starting with joiner, see another batch having these things. See joiner concept, Informatica join concept, ANSI join concept, Oracle join concept, remark. See each and everything I will explain, and then same explanation I will take the practical, show the practical in database. Then once database will complete, then I will again implement same thing in Informatica. Then I will compare once Informatica complete the program. Then I will loading the data. Then I will compare the Oracle output and select query output and Informatica output. If it will same, those kind of testing will be there in real time. If I'm not wrong, right, Anjali?
Right, sir.
See,
Right.
those kind of when I'm start my teaching, those kind of stuffs I will implement. No need each and every concept I will implement in this way. So at least tester, developer, each one having the idea about that of okay, how the real time is implemented, ETL tester or ETL developer or ETL production support people also, how it's working, all those things I'll explain, no need to worry. So those kind of things will start. It should be, I'll try to make it, it's a interactive class, not only it's a student and teacher relationship. I'm not a teacher because I'm also a professional and I'm working with you, I'm like you guys only, and I have not more that much of experience. I am only 9-10 years of experience, but my teaching experience is more like more than 10 years. So for that it's my one kind of it's my hobby. If I'm daily, every day, I have 2 or 3 batches, including my own. And I am working with a one product-based organization, and over there I am a team leader, technical candidate. In Informatica, I'm working also. So this kind of thing, no need to worry. I'll take care of those things. So in this class, if you have any doubt, so just let me know. So tomorrow we'll same time again 4 p.m. we will meet. So if is there any doubt or is there anything directly anyone can connect with me? I think Anjali, if you don't mind, so Binit send you na mail or me send.
So I have means I just inquired a class so
Okay,
that the person who sent me the link, yes,
okay, okay, no
the
problem.
classes.
Okay, if is okay, okay, no worries.
So your number in that meeting link, this is your number, the 958694.
No, 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 no. My number is 8553. What is the number? Hello. Okay, my number is eight double
Yeah,
five three eight double
eight
five three
3, yes,
01833
018
double three
33
8. I'm
8.
just
Okay.
pinging on chat.
Yes, yes.
If we, I think Ram and Prashant having the number, right?
Yes, yes, yep.
Yes, yes. So is there
Yes, Biju.
anything else,
I have
any
your number.
doubts? Just let me know. If anyone having the doubts, maybe another guy Prashant or maybe another guy tomorrow he will join. That guy name is, let me check, Shiva. Maybe he will join. If anyone are going to join, it's fine. If anyone don't want to join, so no need to worry. So you are already 2-3 people we have, so we'll take the class. If when we start the session, if I did any mistake or anything, just let me know. I will try to cover up, or I will try to manage myself as much as possible, because I am also a human being. Maybe there is some mistake, maybe there is some things I skip. You feel maybe somewhere you skip something, so you can just let me know. I'll manage. Okay, I'll try to uh, I'll try to manage those things. But after end of the course, I will make you that much of understandable. You will having those kind of knowledge. At least you can easily work in any like Informatica testing or developer or production support, maybe anything else, or ETL developer. Why I'm teaching like this way? Suppose today is the Informatica. Why I'm comparing with the Oracle and why I'm giving those kind of explanation. The problem, the reason behind that, today is the Informatica. Suppose after 5 year Informatica gone market, some new tool will be there, right? If you don't know data processing concept on ETL concept or reporting concept, you cannot implement those things in other technology. Because simultaneously I'm working with the SAP BODS. Earlier I was working with the SAP BODS, Talent, Pentaho, Informatica Power Center. If you don't know those, what is the concept behind the Informatica, or what is the concept behind the Oracle? So those concepts you don't know. Suppose today is the Oracle, tomorrow Teradata will come. Teradata, another database will come. Maybe day after tomorrow MongoDB will come, right? Unstructured database. So what we will do? Every time we can't go and we can start a new technology, right? So for that reason, when I started my career, I am giving the only technology teaching. Before 5 or 6, before 5, 6 year, 5 or 6 year or 8 years ago. But when last 2 years, I am giving like this kind of teaching. So if it's maybe for it's a bit lengthy for you, maybe I'll take suppose if I'm starting only Informatica, it will take suppose 30 or 40 classes. Maybe if I put the Oracle and some concept related thing, it will maybe take another 10 sessions or 10 classes, extra 10 classes. So no need about that. I will take those classes and I will make you understand it. This is the thing. So no need to worry. So tomorrow we'll connect with
Okay.
till 4 p.m. So is there any
Sir,
doubt? Just let me know. Yeah.
yes, sir. How many assignments you have given during that Informatica tool assignment session per session?
Informatica sessions each and every day. Once the practical start, each and every day having some assignments, because I'll complete assignments in front of you. It's a small scenario or small, say like a small data, 2 column, 3 column, small data set. Once you complete, I'll given you those things so you can implement in your home, because I'll install you will install the Informatica software, right? You have to do same assignments. Once this say all assignment will complete, then I have other questions. Once course about to complete, then I will give you some interview related questions. You have to implement those questions. Once this will complete, if you are facing any issue, just let me know. I will help you on this. Again, once those are complete, then I at the end of the class, Informatica or Oracle or tester testing kind of all type of questions, theoretical questions and answer we will discuss. So those kind of first I'll complete the development part, all those things. One will go, but daily we have the assignments, because Informatica having more than 30 to 40 in a single class. I need to implement a minimum 30 to 40 small scenarios. You all
Okay.
yes, those kind of things, each and everything you need to implement. If you are not implementing that means after 1 month, so that is the no point, right? If I'm teaching and after 1 month, if I'm not implementing now, in your home after 1 month, so what is the
Right.
output?
Because
Nothing.
my company, because I am a manual tester as a QA, senior
Okay.
QA I'm working.
Okay.
So I want my switch means I want to switch as the ETL tester.
Okay.
So that's why, because in my company, no platform for Informatica or any tool like that.
Okay.
So so I want to practice on the tool through your process only.
Okay.
And searching a job on yeah. So after that I will search the job in that field. So that's why I'm asking for the it's very important for the practical session for me.
Yes, practical session as well as how you will crack the job and how is the interview question and each and everything I'll tell you. I'll tell you as well as I'll share the file also. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Anyone having or other questions? Prashant, Ram.
No big deal.
No,
Nothing from my hand.
So okay, guys.
So sir,
to,
all are the developer, ETL developer or a ETL tester
all are
in our
ETL, I think,
class?
developer. But when I'm teaching in my course, ETL developer, test and production support in single class I am taking, because maybe tester
Basic
tomorrow.
concept are same.
Yes, all are same. And tomorrow maybe suppose I am teaching you. Suppose maybe Prashant today, maybe Prashant or Ram today, maybe they will think we are approaching ETL developer. Suppose after 2 months trying the job, if they are not getting job, okay, let me try also ETL testing. If they know ETL testing, then only they can try, right? So for that reason,
Right.
my class I'm taking each and everything in same classes.
So, sir, can I add the certification, means the experience? Suppose after 2 months, I got the training for ETL tester, okay, and
Okay.
I'm taking the call for the interview. So I will mention in my CV or my resume. So I have working on the Informatica for last 3 months or 4 months, like
Correct.
that.
Correct. Yes, you can mention, and you can your current company. See, when the anyone got the job, no one going to ask, no one go to for your company for asking. Okay, this candidate is joining in my company or my organization. Earlier, which technology and what are the things she or he worked? No one is going to ask. In IT, everyone,
Okay.
everyone I think know about that. In IT, believe on only the technology. If you know technology, if you have, if you have experience, IT experience, but you don't have valid experience in that particular technology, but you know that technology, you can switch the job and you can work. That is the main thing,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So can we close the class for today? So tomorrow we'll connect on same time or same link also you can use. No need to worry
Okay.
other link. Same link you can use. Okay.
Sure, Vidyut. I would request you to share the installation details, installation file. I would like to install Informatica and other software on my computer for practice, Vidyut. So I would
Sure,
appreciate
sure,
if you can share the file and video, please.
sure. Today I'll share. Today both sessions also I'll share. Today sessions also I'll share, as well as software also I'll share. No need to worry. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much,
But
Vidyut. Thank you.
yes, but before installation the thing, I'll share the software inside the
Okay.
Oracle software is there. Okay, Oracle Express
Okay.
Edition is there. So first try to
Okay.
install Express Edition Oracle, because once Oracle will be installed, then only Informatica install. Oracle installation also this video having. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I
Got it.
have
Got it.
11G, so it's working.
It's okay. It's okay. No need to install the Oracle again. So Informatica directly can install.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'll do that.
So just Anjali, this is my WhatsApp number. What I think, just send me. If you are interested, just send me your mail ID so that I can, yes, I can say send the software details. Okay.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Tomorrow we can meet. Okay.
Thank you.
Tomorrow same time,
Bye.
4
Yeah.
p.m. we can meet. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sure. Bye.
Thank you.